Welcome to a critical exploration of open-source AI. Today we dive into the complexities of open versus closed-source AI models, uncovering both the innovations they bring and the dangers they pose. First, what is open-source AI? It refers to AI software with source code that anyone can inspect, modify, and enhance. The heart of innovation, open-source AI fosters a collaborative environment where developers globally contribute to advancing the technology. Speed of development. Open-source projects evolve rapidly due to community contributions, often outpacing closed-source solutions in innovation. Cost-effectiveness. Open-source AI tools are generally free, lowering the barrier to entry for startups and researchers. Transparency and trust. Open-source AI promotes transparency, allowing users and regulators to verify the integrity and fairness of algorithms.
Transparency in AI isn't just about trust. It's about accountability and understanding how decisions are made, especially when they impact human lives.
However, open-source AI isn't without risks. The accessibility of the code can also make it easier for malicious actors to exploit vulnerabilities. Intellectual property concerns. Open source can complicate the protection of proprietary technology, potentially deterring innovation. Quality control challenges. With numerous contributors, maintaining consistent quality and security standards can be difficult. Dependency risks. Over-reliance on community-driven projects can lead to problems if the support or maintenance dwindles. Ethical dilemmas. As AI impacts more areas of our lives, ensuring ethical use becomes crucial, a challenge magnified by open source's broad accessibility. The future of AI development is a balancing act between harnessing the collective potential of open source communities and mitigating the risks that come with it. As we stand at the crossroads of technological advancement, the choices we make today will shape the AI of tomorrow. Will we steer towards innovation, security, or a blend of both? The decision is ours to make. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of open source AI. Stay informed, stay secure, and keep pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve.